Then next point, the expression of wave number of line in rotational spectrum of diatomic molecule. In previous lecture, we know the expression of energy of rotation, that is E rotational is equal to J into J plus 1 into H square upon 8 pi square I. We know this equation in expression of wave number of line. We can first start from this equation. Then energy of rotation can be two state, that is energy in final E2 and initial E1 state. Energy in two state, final state E2 and initial state E1. For energy of final state E2, that is E2 is equal to J2 inside the bracket J2 plus 1 into H square upon 8 pi square I. This is equation number 2, and E1 is equal to J1 into J1 plus 1 into H square upon 8 pi square I. This is equation number 3. Now energy difference between the two lines, that is delta E is equal to final minus initial, that is this is equation number 4. Now put these two energy levels in equation number 2, or now put equation number 2 and 3 in equation number 4. That is delta E is equal to E2 means the value, put the value of E2, that is J2 inside the bracket J2 plus 1 into H square upon 8 pi square I. This is your E2 value minus E1, that is J1 inside the bracket J1 plus 1 into H square upon 8 pi square I. Now simply common term can be separated out. In that two equation, H square upon 8 pi square I and H square upon 8 pi square I, these are the common terms. That is this can be separated out, that is delta E is equal to J2 into J2 plus 1 minus inside the bracket J1 into J1 plus 1 into common term H square upon 8 pi square I. Now multiply each term inside the bracket. Multiply each term inside the bracket. That is delta E is equal to J2 inside the bracket J2 plus 1 minus J1 inside the bracket J1 plus 1 into H square upon 8 pi square I. Now multiply by J2 inside the bracket and J1 inside the bracket. Now multiply J2, that is J2 into J2 square plus J2 into J2 square and J2 into 1 J2 minus J1 into J1 square minus J1 into 1 minus J1, minus plus minus minus into common term H square upon 8 pi square I. Now next term, same term on same side, that is J2 square and J1 square and J2 and J1, that is J2 square minus J1 square. J2 square, this is, there is a minus sign, and J1 square, these are your first term. Then next plus J2 minus J1, plus sin j2 minus j1, and lastly h square upon 8 pi square I. j2 square minus j1 square means j2 plus j1 and j2 minus j1. j2 square minus j1 square means simply a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. That is j2 plus j1, j2 minus j1, and plus j2 minus j1 into h square upon 8 pi square I. Now in that equation common term is separate out. Which common term can be separate out? That is j2 minus j1. In that too there is a j2 minus j1 is a common term. That means this equation can be changes. Delta E is equal to j2 minus j1 is a common term, and next j2 plus j1, and in that there is only plus 1, means j2 plus j1 plus 1 into h square upon 8 pi square I. h square upon 8 pi square I. Now this is the equation of the energy of rotation. Now for basic spectroscopy equation, that is the basic spectroscopy equation nu is equal to delta E by H. This is the basic spectroscopy equation. Nu is equal to delta E by H. Now suppose this is equation number 5 and this is equation number 6. Then put equation number 5 in 6. That is nu is equal to, put the value of delta E in that equation. That is j2 minus j1, j2 plus j1 plus 1 into h square upon 8 pi square I divided by h. Now cancel the term h, and this equation can be converted into nu is equal to j2 minus j1 into j2 plus j1 plus 1 into h upon 8 pi square I. 8 pi square I. For wave number of line, suppose this is equation number 7. For the wave number of line, nu bar is related to frequency nu, that is nu is equal to c into nu bar. Nu is equal to c into nu bar. This is equation number 8. Then put the value of equation number 8 in 7. That is in text space of nu we can put the c nu bar. That is wave number sign. Then put 8 in 7. That is c nu bar is equal to j2 minus j1, j2 plus j1 plus 1 into h upon 8 pi square I. Now simply we can shift c from right hand side. That is nu is equal to j2 minus j1 into j2 plus j1 plus 1 into h square upon 8 pi square I c. This is equation number 9. This is the equation for wave number of line. of rotational spectrum of diatomic molecule. Again, this equation can be converted in another form, that is the value of h square upon 8 pi square I c is equal to B0, where B0 is a Bijorian constant. B0 is a Bijorian constant. Now again, this equation number 10, put equation 10 in 9, that is this is the final equation of pure number of line. Mu bar is equal to J2 minus J1, that is J2 plus J1 plus 1 into B0, equation number 11. This is the final equation for expression of pure number of line of rotational spectrum of diatomic molecule. Simply we can start. First we know the equation of energy of rotation, that is J into J plus 1 into h square upon 8 pi square I. This equation can be put in initial and final state. For final state we can E2, and for initial state we can take as E1. Now there is a delta is a difference between final state and initial state. Now put these two equations in equation number 4 and rearrange this equation. We can got final equation, that is J2 plus J1, J2 minus J1 plus J2 minus J1 into 1. All common term can be given out and we can put the final equation. Delta is equal to J2 minus J1, J2 plus J1 plus 1, h square upon 8 pi square I. Now for basic spectroscopic equation, mu is equal to delta E by h. Then put the value of delta E in that equation. Then mu is equal to J2 minus J1, J2 plus J1 plus 1, h square upon 8 pi square I divided by h. Now cancel the common term. Then J2 mu is equal to J2 minus J1, J2 plus J1 plus 1, h upon 8 pi square I. Then for wave number of line, mu bar is related to the frequency, which relation mu is equal to C into mu bar. Then put this in text place of mu bar, we put the value of C mu bar, that is C mu bar, and remaining term as it is. Then next step, simply put the C shift to the right hand side, and this is equation number 9. And finally the value of h upon 8 pi square IC is a B0. B0 is a Bijorian constant, and put this equation in equation number 9, and we can got a final equation of wave number of line in rotational spectrum. Thank you.